Hey everyone, have you ever thought about growing your own food? Gardening is like magic. It turns tiny seeds into delicious fruits and veggies. Let's find out why backyard gardening is so awesome.
Gardening teaches us patience. Plants take time to grow, and taking care of them helps us learn responsibility.
Second, fresh food from your garden is super healthy. Vegetables and fruits give us vitamins that help us grow strong and stay active.
Gardening is also a great way to spend time outside. You get fresh air, sunshine, and even a little exercise while digging and planting.
And guess what? Gardens help nature too. They give homes to bees, butterflies, and worms that keep the soil healthy.
Plus, growing your own food saves money and tastes amazing. Nothing is better than eating something you grew yourself.
So, if you have a backyard or even just a small space, try planting something. Gardening is fun, healthy, and great for the planet. Let's get growing.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.